Okay, this video is to demonstrate how to make an iPhone holder. This is one that I've made from a triangular shape, so 3 rectangles attached to make a triangle closing the end, cutting holes in the front, a hole in the top for the iPhone to slide in, sound holes here, projection with the triangles that I cut on the side, holes in the back to allow more sound out the back, and the iPhone slides in like this. Now, something that's really important to remember when you're making anything in clay that you need measurements to be exact, this hole is bigger on all sides by about 1/4 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch, bigger this way to allow for shrinkage, because if I make the hole exact now, when it's finished firing, it will not fit. Okay, so this is the triangular one. I am going to actually rebuild this shape. I like this shape. I like the way this looks, but I want to make it a little bit better. I want to make it taller, and I want to be able to make it so that I can plug in my iPhone while it's in the holder and still has space for the plug to go in. I want the front to come out further because this almost misses when it comes down into the holder, so I want the front further out, and so therefore I need to make the base bigger. I've already come up with my design. To get started with this iPhone holder, I had rolled out 2 slabs, larger slabs, and then I cut out the base, the bottom piece. The top is the same width, but I wanted it not as big because this is going to be sitting forward this direction, but I wanted it to be come to the same I want it to come even to the front of the base. So it's going to be sitting about like this. I have cut out the 2 sides that are going to hold it up. They're going to be coming at an angle similar to this, holding the lid, holding the top, I should say. Going to get cut similar to and attached like this. And then I need the strip of clay that's going to go in the back. And the strip of clay is going to need to be this thick. So I still need to cut the strip of clay. Okay, so continuing to build the iPhone holder, and I've got the lid on, the sides, the top on, I should say, the sides, And I have the slip in there from attaching the top, and I'm going to put some strips of clay in there to seal it up, make it stronger. So basically I have the majority of the iPhone holder built. I just need to get the hole in the top and the piece of clay in the back to hold it up or prop up the phone, and then I'm going to put a hole in it for the charger cord to go through. And I've tried to lift it up enough. It's probably not going to be quite enough for the charger to come through the back and up under, giving a hole here to go down to the table. It may have to lift the phone up a little bit, but it will should still fit. That was the plan. So between here and the table is the space for the charger. Depending on how big the charger is, plug will or will not fit. But to get the hole big enough for the iPhone, I traced my iPhone case and then gave space about 1/8 of an inch on each end and 1/8 of an inch on each side. Traced out that rectangle, and that's going to be the size of the hole that I'm going to make.